everyone. Today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. I will have a new flash sale out on Wednesday as well. I know I haven't had one in a couple of weeks, but we will have one. We have 3 kits this week along with the foil bundle and 40 doodles. The reason why I'm doing 40 this week is a lot of them are fall and Halloween and they need to come out so you guys can get your hands on them. So we're going to do all 40 this week and look at that thick stack. So let's go ahead and get into them. Let's do the doodles first. First things first is there is some tattoo guns and then bat planners, some really cute computer screens with roses on them, wax warmers, little letters, pen cups, drinks, makeup. These are so cute. And then little oven mitts, phones, some icing tools, some baking items, milk. I did a pastel version as well as like a regular colored version. And then there is some mixing bowls. This is like a fall baking sampler, a second fall baking sampler, and a third fall baking sampler. And then there is pies, which the pies are on these sheets, but if you wanted a whole set, I think this is great for year round. And then cupcake tins, and then these cupcake tins have 8 different colors, and they kind of coordinate with the cakes here, so they have the same colors. So I was kind of thinking like brownies, chocolate cake, red velvet, funfetti, yellow cake, strawberry cake, like maybe like that's funfetti, a white cake and a vanilla cake. So they have like the same colors in the cupcakes, which I thought was really cute. So you have a pastel version of the cakes and then the like cake flavor version. A baking setup, so you have like the little mixing bowl, rolling pin, eggs, butter, and like a little like milk jug, measuring spoons, lip gloss. I did again 2 different colors, a pastel version as well as like a classic lip color. These are all different like various shades of like lipsticks. Then there is nail polish, candles, and washi tapes. And then here are some Halloween releases. So you have the Spooky Sampler 1 along with the Spooky Sampler 2, which is a black and white. I brought home 2 of those. I think these are going to be so great for Halloween. So you have the black and white, which is $2.82, and then the colorful, which is $2.81 version. And I kept them the same colors as the magical Halloween stickers because I feel like they really just go, and those are in the shop already, and they are I think 206 through or 204. There's a lot of them. So there's a lot of different magical spooky sheets. And then I just did some samplers of all of the icons on those pages. So there is the different colors here. There's 2 of the blacks. I feel like that's the most usable. Again, they are similar in colors to all of these magical ones. As you can see the colors here, these 8 colors. So you have, this one has witch things. So you have cauldrons, witch hats, and broomsticks. This one has 3 different style pumpkins on it. And then you have some cakes and party hats, some different balloons, some different spooky drinks, little gifts and letters, and then just some skulls, bows, and candles. So those are the 40 doodles coming out this week. I hope that y'all like them. I am super excited. I am actually way more excited to use them because they are super cute, but all those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Now I have a foil bundle for y'all. So this week we do have the it's the bonfire foil, so it's similar to the leaves. I actually just did a plan with me using it. Where are the sheets? The leaves that was with, what was it, August mystery, I think. It was the leaves print, and this is the stars, which is so cute for fall and for Halloween. So you have the 2 pages here that have the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You have the 2 pages of bougie boxes, the icons and script page, the fancy headers, deco, bottom washi, and date numbers. And then there is also a matte sampler if you want to add that on. And then let's go ahead into the kits for this week. So I do have one exclusive art kit this week. The rest, well, they're all Halloween themed, but let's go ahead and get into it. I am just so ready for the holiday season. I used my first Halloween kit and I am so pumped to just continue into like the different holidays, whether it is Halloween, Christmas, and the Thanksgiving in between. But this one, I am just so excited. So I wanted to do exclusive art that's kind of like based on a Christmas in Germany, and Jess of Kitnish Jess was super into the idea as well. So I thought it was a match made in heaven, like with all of the food, and these colors are gorgeous. It's just very snowy, very like cool toned colors, and I am just obsessed. You have your two extra boxes over here in the ultimate kit, and these colors are just perfection. I think this would look good with silver, gold, mixed metal. If you had like a red and a green foil mixed together, that'd be really pretty as well. I just feel like you can't go wrong. Even rose would be really pretty with this. And then you have the extra full box on the washi page, which I just think is adorable. And then the freebie in both the ultimate and the mini is this box with the different skin tones, which doesn't this just make you so stinking hungry? It's just so, it's a vibe. One day it's on my bucket list to go to Germany for Christmas. And I feel like there's a lot of German inspired markets in the United States. So I think that that is kind of fun and a great way to mark that, or just an anytime Christmas kit. So let's go ahead and go through the mini kit. All of the kits this week do have ultimate and mini formats, and all of them have the same freebie in the mini kit as they do with the ultimate kit. I am planning for around 6 weeks of winter, which is around what we did for 6 weeks of Christmas kits, which is about what we did for Halloween. So lots of holly jolliness to come, and I am so ready. There is add-ons if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then there is also fam add-ons, which I think these are so cute. I think there's only one other kit, custom one, that has fam add-ons, I believe, but I am just so obsessed. They're the normal 6 options that we have. I love this kid, so cute with his little jacket on. Love it, love it, love it. So that is the first kit. The second kit here is another like traditional Christmas colors, but very different, because let me show you the label samplers. So this one is a little bit like darker, warmer, and then this one's like lighter and brighter. So this one is called Christmas Prep. So let me go ahead and show you this. So this comes, like I said, in a mini and an ultimate. I think it is super, super cute. I love all of the flat lays and the scenes in this kit. So here are the extra boxes on the side. You have the little elf on the shelf, which I totally love. And these colors and patterns are just adorable, perfect for decorating for Christmas, doing your Christmas cards, your decorating, whatever it might be. The first week that you put out the elf, extra full box on the washi page, and then the extra in both the mini and the ultimate is just an extra double box flat lay, which I still feel like would look really cute on its own as well, and it's just adorable. Let me show you the add-on options for this one. So you do have, where did the 15mm strip go? Here it goes. 15mm strip if you want to add it on, the label sampler, as well as the fashion options there. And then last but certainly not least, this kit printed. The colors, oh, they are gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this kit. It's for sure going in my lineup. I cannot stop thinking about it. It is beautiful. I feel like Jess just really killed it with this one. Like, oh, y'all. In person, like, these colors are phenomenal, like, beyond anything. I think this would be really cute as a mixed metal moment. You could do silver, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow, you could do, like, any of the, like, crazy, like the, what is it called? Tinsel. I have another one coming out soon that has stars inside of it, like, inside of the foil. I think we had one like that was red, but this one's like a hollow color. That'd be really cool. I'm going to make sure to release that so y'all have an option if you want to use that. If you have Rainbow Lux from Maggie, I think that would look really cute with this as well in sparkly hollow. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love all of the food. I love the bright colors. I love this retro Christmas tree. I actually bought one last year, and Nick was like, that's not really your style. And I'm like, but it is. It's retro, but it's modern. So this is all so cute. I love this cake. I'm here for it. It's just so beautiful. And I, again, love the colors. You have a faux silver sparkle throughout, and you have on this page here a tall box. Since there's no really like scene shown here, you do have a double box, but it's more of like a present situation. I thought that'd be cute as a tall box option. And these colors, like, come on, these colors are fantastic. It's just so bright and cheery. I didn't even say the name of this. I feel like I didn't say the name of anyone. This one's Merry and Bright. I just get too excited. But this is what Christmas kit dreams are made of. I just think it's so pretty. These colors are so fun. I do not think that I have used a Christmas kit in these colors. Love the bottom washi. And then your extra in both the mini and the ultimate kit is this box here in the different skin tone options, which will be in both the mini kit and the ultimate kit for sure. And then let me show you the add-on options. So the first add-on option you have is the 15mm strip, which normally I kind of go with whatever I use on the sidebar, but I thought yellow with this would be like epic. Let me show you. Like, how fun is that? I feel like the yellow in this kit is what really makes it. You do have the label sampler if you want to add it on. There is also fashion options here. So you have these three and then the like cute little two girls together. And then you also have the option if you want to add on label sampler 2, which I really loved this red. And I think this would be a great addition. And I've never done a full label sampler with one color, but I thought it was cool to do both a solid and a pattern option. So you can really incorporate it in there if you wanted to add the red in, which is just gorgeous. I definitely will be doing so. I might actually grab an extra one of these so I can add even more red in and have like all of the colors of the rainbow going. Love it, love it, love it. That is everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. I am just so excited to finally be getting into the Christmas kits, and I know a lot of other shops are releasing like holiday character stickers and stuff, and I am just so ready for it. Again, there is going to be 40 Doodles released this week, which is just wild. But like I said, a lot of them were kind of spooky, so I wanted to make sure you had the opportunity to pick those up. That's everything for this week. There will be a new flash sale available Wednesday as well. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!